Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss with you the remaining chapter of the Early Man and Fire. And the topic is the early man as a herdsman. You know by now that the early man was a good hunter, but he was still a wanderer. This was because despite everything, man did not know how to grow food, so he only lived at one place till it provided him shelter and food. He moved to another place when he needed a new shelter and more food. अर्ली मैन एक गुड हंटर थे, पर फिर भी वो इधर उधर घूमते रहते थे क्योंकि उन्हें खाना ग्रो करना नहीं आता था। इसलिए वो एक जगह पर तब तक रहते थे जब तक कि वहाँ खाना मिले। Taming animals. It must have happened that one day the early man saw a wild cow suckling its young one. When the early man tasted this liquid, he liked the taste. The early man did not know that he had discovered milk. Early man wanted to drink milk. To get a continuous supply of milk, he started domesticating the animals that were willing to stay with him. Thus, he began to keep cows, buffaloes, and goats. He was also clever to keep dogs to protect his tame animals from the wild lions and mammoths. Soon, man also had horses, donkeys, and oxen under his care. These animals not only gave him milk to drink but also helped him carry his loads. अर्ली मैन एक दिन गाय के बछड़ों को दूध पीते देखा तो उन लोगों ने भी टेस्ट किया और उन्हें वो बहुत पसंद आया। इस तरह से उन्होंने दूध का आविष्कार किया। दूध पीने के लिए उन्होंने फिर काऊ, बफेलोज़ एंड गोट्स को पालना स्टार्ट कर दिया। धीरे धीरे उन्होंने डॉग को भी पालना शुरू कर दिया था जो उन्हें वाइल्ड एनिमल्स से प्रोटेक्ट करता था। अब उन्होंने हॉर्स और डंकी को भी पालना स्टार्ट कर दिया था जो उनके सामान को कैरी करते थे। A permanent home. It was at this time that early man realized that it was difficult to travel over long distance with animals and a family, especially as it was very cold in those days. So man thought over and decided to construct a permanent home. Early man gave up wandering. He made his first permanent home with materials that he found around him. Thus, the first home of man was a hut made of branches and mammoth's bones and covered with animal skin. Well, early man's life was quite comfortable now. He ate all types of foods like seeds, berries, roots, and nuts. Now he had a variety. He used traps to catch small animals so he did not have to chase them. He used bows and arrows to shoot down birds and caught fish with fishing nets woven from vines. The early man also became a great designer. धीरे धीरे अर्ली मैन ने रियलाइज़ किया कि ठंड के कारण फैमिली और एनिमल्स के साथ ट्रैवलिंग करने में उन्हें परेशानियां होती थी। इसलिए उन्होंने परमानेंट होम बनाना शुरू किया। ट्री के ब्रांचेस एंड मैमथ्स बोन और एनिमल स्किन से घर बनाया। अब उनकी लाइफ बहुत आसान हो गई थी। वे सीड्स, रूट्स, बेरीज एंड नट्स खाते थे। अब उन्हें छोटे जानवरों के पीछे भागना नहीं पड़ता था, वे उन्हें ट्रैप से पकड़ लेते थे। वे बो एंड एरो से बर्ड का शिकार करते थे और फिशिंग नेट से मछलियाँ भी पकड़ते थे। वे एक अच्छे डिज़ाइनर भी बन गए थे। He made better clothes. He had learnt the way to soften leather and stitch it with the thread he got from animals using bone needles. When it was warmer, the men wore stitched cloths made of tree bark, of grass and leaves. Early man had become an adept toolmaker by now. His tools included stone axe, knives, spears, harpoons, wooden bows, and sharp stones, tipped arrows. He also made clay pots and wove baskets to carry water. Fire made clay and mud pots hard and strong. When early man discovered this, he started using fire to bake his pots and jars to store food in them. वे अच्छे कपड़े एनिमल्स स्किन को स्टिच करके बनाना सीख गए थे। जब गर्मियाँ पड़ती थी तब वो पेड़ के पत्तों को और घास से कपड़े सिलकर पहनते थे। अब वह बहुत अच्छे अच्छे टूल्स भी बनाना सीख गए थे, जैसे कि एक्स, नाइफ्स, स्पेयर्स एंड एक्सेट्रा। वे क्ले पॉट और वो बास्केट से पानी कैरी करते थे। वो आग की मदद से क्ले पॉट को स्ट्रॉन्ग करते थे और उसमें खाना स्टोर करके रखते थे। Okay students, that's all for this chapter. I will provide you question answers and filling the blanks etc. in the next classes. Okay, bye.